you're someone who is looking into jobs, and if you are a fresher, and if you want a job to be remote job, domain specific roles with good salary and good growth, so this video is for you. So hi, welcome or welcome back to Talk Data with Jen, and today we will be just hitting some of the reality of freshers mind, because every day I talk to freshers and they have one two three things which they make their job search very constrained, such as, ma'am, we need only data analyst job roles, or it should be a remote job, and it should be pay us a high good salary. So let's talk about these things in this video, and we'll see whether it's a good approach as a fresher or it's a bad approach as a fresher. So let's begin. Let me very honest here. I'm not saying that remote jobs are very bad and domain specific roles are very bad. But if you are a fresher and looking out for jobs, so these constraints will really become a hindrance in your job search, because there are opportunities which come, or which are as in which you have to be physically present, and there is specific timings which you have to uh, put in initially, or you have to put your all efforts, because in initial days you can work on these things, because this will help you to grow in your career. And if you see those who are having work from home jobs, those people are more experienced. Those people have some proven skills over the time period, as in they are working for a very long time. And whereas you as a fresher, if you demand such things, so that will become a problem for your career, or for your starting initial days of your career. And I have seen cases where freshers are good in everything, means they have very good skills, they have everything, but due to some problems in relocation, or the work or the jobs are not work from home, or the salaries and everything is not according to them, so these things stop them and they neglect those job offers. And over the month and month they become underconfident, and they have this in their mind of self rejection, or they feel unworth of themselves. So this I want to say, or I want to convey to freshers, that if for initial growth you can skip these pointers from your mind, that the job should be work from home, or the job should be uh, have a good salary. And I'm not saying that you should work at a very low pay scale, but if you are looking out, or if you are in a urgent, or in a very just to start your career, so you should try, or you should look out for jobs which are paying you mediocre salaries, not rather than very high salaries. And don't try to be perfect in everything, or don't try to fit in every criteria. No, that if this criteria is not there, I'll not join this job. If this criteria is not there, I will not join this job. So try to inculcate those things in your professional journey, and then you see the growth in yourself. Because if you see examples of those who are much experienced, so they have somewhere ignore these things, like starting work from home jobs, or like they are at a low salary, or they are with some uh, skills, or some they don't want to be perfect, they just started their career, so that's why they have that experience, and that's why they are where are in their professional journey. Instead of keeping these pointers in your mind, just try, or just to seek what the job will offer you in terms of your initial career. Will it be beneficial for you for your future growth? Because if you build a career strategically, then only you will be seeing the fruit in the future of your career. So this is only my request to the freshers, that don't look out, don't constrain yourself to such factors, that we need the job should be perfect, and we need only data analyst job roles, or job should always be remote. So if this video helped you in any way, just to make your minds reflect on some other thoughts other than these pointers. So just subscribe to Talk Data with Jen, and you will be seeing more content around this in the future days. Till then, keep learning, keep growing. Thank you so much.